Hello folks, for another video. So today I will show the people who asked me how to create collections on Redbubble. So in this video I will show you how in just 2 minutes. If you see me for the first time, I suggest to subscribe to the channel if you want more tips and tricks help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your print-on-demand business. And don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group, the link in the description below. So collections are necessary on Redbubble if you have more than one niche in your shop. Collections make the customer choose what he wants without searching for a long time on your shop, and also collections make your shop more professional and clean. So click at Manage Portfolio and select your design from here. And after click at collection and type the name of your collection. For example, this design for cats lovers, so I will name this collection, for example, cute cats, and select and click at plus, and that's it. And if you want to edit your collections, click at collections here and choose any collection you want. Click at settings and start editing your collection the way you want. So I will finish here, guys. In this video I will show you how you can make collections to your Redbubble shop in just 2 minutes. So if you benefit from this video, give it a like, smash that red button, and see you soon.